Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Silverado LT Double Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z6870A. 17,000 miles in this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Silverado is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 6 with a cloth interior, split seat bottom, flips up for additional cargo space, and rear defrost for excellent visibility. Locking tailgate, backup camera for additional safety. It's also a great way to hook up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, along with integrated trailer brake control. Gauges, again only 17,000 miles, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats, cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, up and out of the way for a middle passenger, with even more storage underneath, and dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size 4-wheel drive pickup. EPA average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6870A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.